everyone, in today's video we are going to see how we can create the task from the particular feed section. So in this particular feed section we have the option of creating task. So when we click on the task here, we just need to add the task along with the description. So here we have the option of adding description for this particular task. We can add assignee also for this particular task. Here we have two more options, that is the participant and the observer. So we can set the participant for this particular task along with the observer. We can add deadlines for this task along with the time tracker option. In the custom field, you can create your own custom field, so you can add your data in that particular custom field. Also we have the project option, reminder, repeat task for this particular section. CRM entity subtask, you can add the subtask along with the tags and dependent task for this particular task. So when you click on send, so you can generate the task from the particular feed section. So this is how you can generate the task from the feed section.